This is the sorry stories. Wow. Look at the weather.
Bro, after this, we're gonna watch the play.
How many pieces? Oh, 50. Just like five for me long.
Five.
And then the weekend we brew some more, babe. And then, wow. But yeah, that's how it is, man. All right, we're almost there right now. I done some highlights. Yeah, I got some highlights. All right, I got some highlights of the live. That way, I can see what it is, what it was. We're almost at 3,700 subscribers. Almost 4,000. Almost 4,000 subscribers. Almost four. Look at this light, nice little truck right here. The app. Open the app. What I do, I exited out, but I'm back right here. Back on the live. You see how there's motorbikes right here parked up? These trucks right here, this blue one, they call them elves, elf truck. And then right there, that's a multi-cab. You see that gray Suzuki? That's a Suzuki right there in front. They call that multi-cab over here. So those are very popular right here because they're brand new. They're cheap, imported from Japan, and they're the cheapest thing you can buy out here. And they're durable as hell too. And they come with diesel options too. And the weather right now is está chingón el pinche weather ahorita, güey. The weather is fucking. Look at the mountain over there. There's a mountain right there. And then there's some on this side, on the other side of this building. But I need to move to another side that way I can see it. If not, no se mira ni madre por aquí. Hmm. All right, let me